Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can send an email if you comment something on Google Sheet. For example, if you guys are having a sheet that is shared with everyone, and if there is something that you would like to comment on, for example, if there are two people, if there are team that share the document, the Excel sheet, the Google spreadsheet, and you wanted someone to inform that, hey, just change this text on this particular stuff. So instead of telling them exactly where to do what and everything, so you can simply, what you can do is you can simply go to that particular cell and do some comment, and automatically that person will get an email. And also when you get an email, he will directly land to that particular cell to check whether the problem, whatever you told, they can directly go on that particular place, so that they can understand what you're trying to say. Okay, so guys, before moving ahead, if you are new to my channel, I would like request everyone to subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, and the channel is all about related to technologies and technologies news that will help you to have good knowledge about technology and everything. So guys, if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, I request you all to kindly subscribe. Okay, so moving ahead with the Google spreadsheet. So what I will do is I will just first go and I will just open the spreadsheet. You can simply click here and go to drive. Okay, as soon as you go to drive, you can see the spreadsheet, like you can create the new spreadsheet or you can use any of the spreadsheet. So to give you an example, what I will do is I will try to use any one of the old spreadsheet that I have, so that I can easily give you an demo, like how it exactly works. So I have a lot of spreadsheets that has been previously there. So in my previous video also I have created one more tips and tricks regarding the Google spreadsheet, that is how you can check the edit history. I'll put that link into my video description, so that you can check that as well. So guys, let's say I'm clicking on this spreadsheet. Okay, so let's open this spreadsheet. So as soon as it get open, I will show you how to do that. So you just need to click on right click here and just make open Google Sheet. So it will take a couple of seconds to load the sheet. So as soon as you load the sheet, you can see there will be like normal sheet open. So let's assume that you have shared this sheet with multiple peoples. Okay, and there are a lot of content on this sheet, but what you have to do is, for example, this is the cell. Okay, in that cell there is some content written. For example, here we need to change the content of the description, just for an example if we need that. So yeah, so whenever you wanted to share something, or you wanted to like inform something to your partner or something, what you have to do is you simply have to right click here. Okay, and then you simply have to right click here and just scroll down and click on comment, and you can also use shortcut key like Control Alt plus M. Okay, just click on comment. As soon as you click on comment, you can see you can comment, and also you can add anyone which is you're already in the list, and you can, for example, I am doing like, for example, add okay, you can see all the list has been coming, so I am just clicking one of my user to whom I have to inform. Hey, uh, please check out the cell. Please check out the box uh, and kindly do the needful. Okay, let's assign this task to Sanket and just click assign. Okay, as soon as you tell this, so it's already assigned, and one email will go to Sanket, which will come there. Let me show you that as well. So guys, you can see when I put a comment and sent to Sanket Chawla, so he got an email directly. Uh, then also here the notification come. It's a dynamic email. Parts of this email are dynamic and can show up to date information. Okay, so let's say got it. So here's the comment that I have mentioned. Here, like here's the cell description that we have, and here is the comment that we have mentioned. Hey, please check out the box and kindly do the needful. So he can reply here or mark as done, or he can click the file to see what exactly was there. So we can see whether it is going to take us to that particular item, or how it will going to do it. So let's check it out with that. It's still loading. It might take a couple of seconds to load. So guys, like this, you can simply comment like any of the cell and to anyone who are like assigned to that particular project, and you can easily communicate that way. So guys, hope you like this video, and if you really like this video, so I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.